Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on your Windows 10 computer, and this will be a step-by-step process. If you're trying to install Windows 11 on your PC and getting an error like this PC can't run Windows 11 or TPM 2.0 is required, don't worry, I have got you covered. Without wasting any time, I'm your tech buddy Adnan Hussain. Let's get started. Now comes the important part. To enable TPM 2.0, we need to go to the BIOS. Every brand has different BIOS key. Here's the list. To go to the BIOS, you need to restart your PC and continuously pressing the BIOS key until you see the BIOS screen open. Now use the arrow key to navigate. In PC, I think you can also use the mouse, but in laptop, you have to use the arrow keys. Look at the tab called security, then go to the security. Inside that, look for one of those: TPM, security chip, Intel PTT, or AMD fTPM. In my case, there is security chip. Different brand use different names, but it will be always be one of these. Once you find it, click enter. Here you can see the TPM 2.0. Here, click enter. Then select the enable key, then press enter. Then press F10 key to save exit and confirm with yes. Your PC will restart normally. Let's double check everything. Press Windows plus R key and type again TPM.MSC and hit enter. If it now says TPM is ready for use, boom, you just did it. And that's how you enable TPM 2.0 on your Windows 10 PC, and now you can install Windows 11 on your PC easily. If you face any issue, drop a comment below. I will try my best to help you out and help me to reach my first 1000 subscriber, and I'm very excited for it. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace out.